A machine has a buzzer that sounds every 50 minutes. The machine also has a bell that sounds every 80 minutes. The buzzer and the bell sound together at 10 a.m. Find the time at which they next sound together. Always these questions you have to use in them the least common multiple. So we have to find the least common multiple for 50 and the least common multiple for 80. Sorry, the least common multiple for both of them. So what is the multiples of 50 and what multiples of 80? To find multiples of 50, I'm going to write to find the product of prime. So 50 made of 5 and 10, 5 is prime, 10 made of 5 and 2, both of them prime. 80 made of 8 and 10, 8 made of 4 times 2, 4 made of 2 and 2, 10 made of 2 and 5. Prime, 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 and prime. So I'm going to write 50 equals 2 times 5 squared, 80 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the power of 4 times only 1, 5. So to find the least common multiple, I have to take common and not common in the highest power. Not the smallest. The smallest we use it in the least common multiple, but sorry, in the highest common multiple. Highest common factor, sorry. But in the least common multiple, we take common and not common in the highest power. So the common is 2, both of them, and 5 in both of them. We don't have any not common. But in the highest power, so I have to take 2 to the power of 4 and 5 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 2. What? 2 to the power of 4. A lot of students write here 8, which is wrong. 2 to the power of 4 mean 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 5 to the power of 2 mean 5 times 5 equals 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 25, I'm going to use my calculator for this one. 16 times 25 equals 400. So the least common multiple equal 4. 50 and 80 equals 400. But that's not enough. What they ask us, find the time at which they will next sound together. So they sound together at 10 a.m. We want to add to this 400 minutes. So 400 minutes, how many hours? Divide by 60. 400 divide 60 equals 6. So there is 6 hours. Now, let me multiply 6 times 60, which is 360. So this means how many minutes left? So 6 hours. And how many left from 360 to 400? 360, there is 40 minutes. So we have to add 6 hours and 40 minutes to 10 a.m. 10 a.m. plus 6 hours. After 2 hours, it will be 12. Then 4, it will be 4. 4 p.m. So 4 p.m. and 40 minutes. We can write this as 4 and 40. And this is the full answer.